Good evening. My name is Catherine Wagner, and I've been hired to consult with the company, a retail store that has approximately 3 employees, and they are having some performance issues, and they asked me to come in and evaluate the team and to see if I could identify some of the issues that they're having around the team being able to work well together. And so we are going to be having a team building event, an offsite meeting where we can spend some time meeting with the employees and try to see if we can build a better team, an effective team. And one of the issues I think that the team is having is that this is a well-established store that's been in business for a number of years, and they've recently had some store manager changes, and as a result of the changes, there is a lack of trust between the existing employees and the new store manager. And the team has kind of not been on board with what the new manager is trying to do. Some of the new philosophies of the management team are not exactly agreeing with the employees, and we want to evaluate whether the employees are worth continuing to have on the team and if we can establish a rapport and get the employees to cooperate with the new manager, or if we need to bring in some newer employees. And so we will be conducting an offsite meeting to meet with the employees and try to evaluate their what they see as challenges in the store, establish some goals for the next 90 days to see if we can come up with some, well, mainly the store is a fabric store, and we want to determine if it's a lack of training for the employees. Customers are sending in comment cards where they've had to wait extremely long times at the checkouts, and we want to identify what the issue is at the checkouts and why customer service scores are down. So we want to meet with the employees and determine what they think the challenges are and how we can improve upon our customer service. And also, the store is not being recovered properly at night. And so we want to talk to our closing shift and see if we can improve their closing procedures and how we can make changes to make the process better. And so we'd like to meet with the employees, establish goals, build trust between the employees and the new store manager, and try to determine if this is an effective team going forward or if we need to bring in new employees. And so it'll be an ongoing process, but that is initially for the first 90 days how we will approach the team, and we'll be doing at least 2 offsite meetings to begin that rapport, and if we need more meetings we will have those meetings and see if we can't build this team going forward. So I appreciate your time this evening, and I hope you have a great evening and a great week. Thank you.